Okay, it's Sunday morning, sorry, Sunday afternoon, 1:30. Rained all morning, so we've been chilling out, having a laugh, taking the piss out of each other, watching YouTube, talking bikes. So myself, Paul, good Paul on his RS in the front, bad John over there on his KTM, bad John. We're going to meet up with the other lads in Douglas, and then the plan today, as there's no Manx racing, is we're going to go north up to Derby circuit, where they've got a classic race day, if there's racing on, and if there isn't racing on, we're going to go to the Isle of Man Motor Museum, catch up with the lads. We can't have a day without getting on the bikes, and that's what the plan is. Weather looks as if it might be clearing up, rain stopped, and I get over to the other lads, fuel up, and out we go. There's John doing his famous 180, and yeah, here we go. Spoke too soon, look at the rain.
Yeah, not good.
Ah, we're out now. I've got, right boys, it's a bit wet out there.
Leave it 10 minutes.
Yeah, leave it 10 minutes. Right, Stuart.
Yeah. It's like having a kite on the back over mountain yesterday.
Did you not fancy coming out this afternoon?
No, he was like, well, what we're doing? I said, well, we're coming back like 4 o'clock, get changed, go to Allen's and all that. And he said, oh, I'll just stay here and chill.
Okay.
Yeah, can do.
Gives you a chance on the bike, doesn't it?
Yeah. Well,
Magnificent 7 ride again. Some air, haven't we? Gotta get some air on Balloch Bridge.
we did last time.
I know, Hey, both wheels.
Yeah, we did it.
These RSs are so fucking common, aren't they? Every fucker's got one. Let's go inside. Well, we've just come into the Motor Museum here at Derby. We've missed the racing, there's only half an hour left, too tight to leave it, but yeah, here's a gaggle of Ducatis and a gaggle of Ducati riders. All sorts going on here. Let's just walk down, see what we've got. Everything's there.
Scared away with this t-shirt.
The 916.
The noise.
So this is what's being raced this weekend, isn't it? This week, yeah, the 916. Or modern 999.
Grey frames. Grey subframe, grey wheels. Didn't run a later one.
749.
Black subframe, black wheels.
The 999S.
Can't see the road. Where's the road going? Oh, I'm glad we've come here.
Bit up when we arrived from the edge.
Right along the sea. So is this de-restricted it now?
Say again?
Is this a de-restricted road in the Isle of Man that you can... Here we are, Sunny Peel.
Yeah, we're going there. See if we can pull in.
No, I've got to get the picture with the bikes with the castle in the background.
Yeah.
So we're here in Peel at the famous Peel Fish Bar. Here we go. There's the castle. There's Peel Harbour. There's the beach. And here's me about to devour my kipper kebab. No, not a kipper kebab burger, a kipper roll.
I'm just chewing up toast to get some Queenies, and I didn't realise the lovely little beach here the other side. This is Peel Bay. And again, yeah, it's lovely. but sadly weather's had its toll today. It's been chucking it down. Hopefully it's blowing away. There's a bit of blue showing up there, but yeah, pretty nice to say the least. Really nice little location. Yeah, let's go and get some fish and queenies.
That was a nice stop. Nice kipper bap, Manx kipper bap. Couple of queenies. Not what you think.
Looks like a nice little bite.
Yeah, Triumph.
Wow.
Lovely road, eh?
Fantastic road. That I think is Castletown there.
Okay.
We're going down to Port Erin first. Now this is a bit like Scotland and Ireland, isn't it?
Yeah. First time I've ever been to Port Erin.
Exactly. Yeah, I've not been here before. But now that looks like a bit an area where you're going to get things.
That's a bit eerie up on the top, isn't it? The old lookout castle or whatever it's called.
Very much like Whitby, that.
Yeah, yeah. Anyway, another challenging day. The roads aren't going to close till 12:30 because, as you can see, damp roads. We've had rain in the night again, so the whole event's been a bit of a damp squib, but we've made the most of it. We had a good laugh with some good lads. So the plan today is we've all met up. We're going to meet a guy called Alan, who owns Kestrel Insurance on the Isle of Man. Very nice guy, very generous. We're going to have a barbecue Friday. That was moved to yesterday. It was rained off yesterday. He invited us tonight, but the timing is such that it coincides with the senior race, if indeed that happens. And even if it doesn't happen, we need to be at the ferry for 7 o'clock to get our departure at 8. So the plan is to go and drop our gear off at Alan's house, and he's going to ride with us today, and we're going to see the racing from a few different vantage points. But we've got to stay outside the circuit, because if we leave the bikes and luggage inside the circuit, we're going to be scuppered tonight getting the ferry. So anyway, just get ready, wait for Martin, who's just putting the sat-nav together, and off we go.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confident.
confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna...
Listen to that screaming. It's on full chat there. Yeah, some good racing there. Great. Good at last to be able to see it. So Alan, what a gent, tried to put a barbecue on for us. In fact, did put a barbecue on for us, but because of the timing and the fact that the races have all been moved around, we're going to try and see one of the last races, which means unfortunately we can't do the barbecue, but thanks very much anyway, Alan, for the investment of your time and whatever. Great to meet you, and nice to see your beautiful toys. V12 or W12, old Rolls Royce, beautiful hybrid Ferrari, apparently the second fastest Ferrari ever built. I have a small selection of cars. What have we got here? We've got a Triumph Sprint, Ducati Senna, yeah, Honda BSA, Fletcher, and a Honda CBX 6-cylinder. And here's the rabble. So we're getting close to the end of the day. I might sign off here. No, I won't. I'll sign off when I get on the ferry. But yeah, lovely garage. Very, very nice. Right. At least you've seen some racing today, made up for the lack of racing beforehand. Met some good friends as well, new friends, so that's cool. Right, let's I think we're going down to Bray Hill, watch a bit of racing, so we're ready to get on the ferry at 7 o'clock for an 8 o'clock departure. Here we go.